but more was always part of the plan. Another dollar, another prize. Never saw the truth behind my eyes. Every step I took for something more left another piece behind the door. Running faster, losing ground. Funny how silence is the loudest sound. I kept filling up an empty soul till I forgot what made me whole. The more you take, the less you have. You win the race, but lose your path. You hold the goal, yet feel so cold. The more you take, the less you have. Built a castle standing all alone. Every brick replaced a heart of stone. Crowds were cheering, lights were bright. Still couldn't sleep through the longest night. Everything I chased began to fade. Nothing lasts when it's built on trade. What I wanted wasn't what I need. Love can't grow inside of greed. Yeah. Everybody chasing numbers on a screen. Thinking bigger always means a better dream. Hands getting full, but the heart stays broke. Living in the smoke while we laugh and joke. More lights, more cash, more diamonds flash. More stress, more pressure, everything crashes. You can own the world, still lose your name. If you lose yourself, what's left to claim? Maybe less is where the freedom starts. Maybe wealth is measured by our hearts. Everything we need can't be bought. Some of life's greatest gifts are not. The more you take, the less you have. The richest road can lead you back. Hold on tight to what is real. A grateful heart is worth far more than gold. The more you take, the less you have. Sometimes the greatest treasure is knowing when enough is enough.